Hi, this is Craig Smith. I'm the developer of PC add-ons MergeFactory, and I'll give you a quick overview of the main features. The basic idea of the program is to allow you to quickly and easily merge row information from your Google spreadsheets into document and email templates that you create. Choosing the rows is real simple by just selecting either a row or a group of rows with your mouse. And once you install the MergeFactory, you can use it on any Google Sheet in your account, and each sheet will have its own set of saved templates. I'll start with the features of the Doc Merge sidebar. And you'll notice here that I've created several templates designed for this spreadsheet. And you'll have to create your own templates, but this is very easy to do, and we'll have more instructional videos on how to do this. The list will just show it has a display name. It has your document template along with a link to that document. And also it shows the tabs or the grids that the template is designed for. And so whether you work with your spreadsheet, every day or just a couple times a year, you can easily remember what each template is for. Let's look at our basic letter template. And you'll notice it has like an address block here, and it has our merge markers. So like for column J, column H, and column I, and those correspond to your spreadsheet columns over here, column J, column H, and column I. So it's a company name and a first and last name. So it's real simple to understand. The most basic merge is to simply select a continuous group of rows like we have here. Select your the template you want to use, and then you click on the new doc merge. And all the merged rows will be merged into one document. And if your template was just a single page, then each row will be its own page in the resulting document. When the merge is complete, and a link to the document is available in the results tab, and you'll be able to open it in a new window, and you can see the resulting document. And this merge is available to all users. So you'll see that it has the three pages that or the three rows that we had selected. If you're a premium subscriber, you'll notice you'll have access to this fill-in doc merge. And this means you can selectively go through your document and select, either individual rows or another group of rows, and click on the fill-in doc merge. And it will append these rows into that same document that you were already creating. So you notice instead of 3, we now have 5 rows or 5 pages in this document. One more major merge option for premium subscribers is the option to merge several document templates into one multi-page personalized document. So you can select just an individual row, and I'm going to go ahead and do a new doc merge with the letter template. I've also set up, you'll notice here there's a sales receipt, which is on this same tab. So you can switch to a different template, and you can click on the fill-in doc merge. And I've also noticed that I do have this same customer here on my quotes page, and I can go ahead and click on that and also include this quote. We do also have, like if I wanted to include like a price list, and maybe we have different price levels, I can select the price level that he was at, click that template, and go ahead, and we're going to add one more page to this document. And you'll notice here that we can now create, kind of multi-paged, templated custom document. So, here's the sales receipt for that customer. We did a quotation, and also I decided I included like a price list. So it's a kind of a pretty powerful feature that I think a lot of people will be able to figure out, pretty inventive ways of creating custom documents. Now I want to move on to the email merge. And again, you'll see that there are several email templates that are designed for this spreadsheet. And you'll have to create your own templates, but it's very easy, and we have more instructional videos on how to do this. The list for this spreadsheet will show, again, similar to the document, is the display name, an attachment if you have one, and a link to it, and also the tabs or the grids that each individual email template is designed for. New email merges are very straightforward. Simply select, a group of rows or maybe one individual row. Check the appropriate email template, and then click on the Create Email Merge. Each row will be merged and sent as a separate email. And you can see on one of these, on this spreadsheet, one of the tabs is receiving data from a Google form. So instead of sending the same response to every submission, you can maybe tailor an email depending on their selection. So with this, they've selected a different version. You can send a different email, and go ahead and create it. And the emails will be found in your sent folder. I have data that comes into Sheets automatically from my website, like for quotes and for orders. And so I can easily use these, to send out, tracking information once I get it from manufacturers. So all I have to do is paste the information into the proper row and go ahead and select the correct email and send it out. And it's really handy since, when I paste that into there, it's already highlighting the proper row. So all I have to do is click on the send email button. One other option is the combo merge. It's a premium feature that offers a drop-down list of your doc templates for this spreadsheet. So you can select one of your document templates for this spreadsheet. You select the email template that works with that, and then select the rows that you want to merge in, and then click on the Create Combo Merge. Both the document and email templates will need to be created for the same grid or tab. And basically what this will do is it will copy the document template, merge the column information for the rows into the new document, save the new document. It'll get the merged document as a PDF, and then it'll merge the information from the rows into the email template, attach the PDF, and send it email for each individual row. So it's doing a lot, but it's a lot easier than having to do that manually. And when it's done, you can go back, you can go to your email, and you can see that it's created this for the two rows that I had highlighted. So not only your email has merged information from that row, but also the document also has the merged information also. One other feature I included is a format sidebar. And one of the reasons for this, I mentioned earlier, I do have, whether it's coming in from form responses or automatic information from our website, a lot of it is user input. And when you have that, you never know exactly how people are going to input it. So you get a lot of, everything's capitalized or it's all lowercase. So what this format sidebar will do is you can highlight, rows or columns or a group of data, and maybe put this into like a proper format, or a lot of people input telephone numbers differently, and it just makes it a lot more readable if you can get stuff into a more consistent format. So like this might be in a lowercase for the email addresses, and it just makes kind of cleaning up the data, especially when you want to start merging it. You want it to look make it look professional. This doesn't include everything, but it does conclude our overview. I do offer a 30-day free trial to give it a test run. And you can also go to our About sidebar, and you can find links to our website for more tutorials and a contact form if you have questions. Thank you.